आज हमारे साथ हैं गुलशन जो अभी पढ़ रहे हैं
B.Com Honors from Ansraj College.
और इसके पहले एक बहुत अमेजिंग चीज़ है, आपने ड्रॉप लेने के पहले किस कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे थे आप?
Actually, I was studying in Sri Venkateshwara College, Economics Honors.
So the funny thing is you've got into DU twice
Yeah.
and you were still a dropper. So you are like the perfect example for the dropper crowd कि उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए अपनी मतलब प्रिपरेशन में और आगे क्या करना चाहिए. For anybody who wants to get into Delhi University. So my first question directly I'll ask you this only. Why did you actually take अपना ड्रॉप ये क्यों लिया था आपने?
So my journey began in 2023. I have planned that I want to pursue B.Com Honors from Delhi University, specifically to be from North Campus only. So when I got my CSAS allocation, I realized that I got into Economics Honors, although it was my second preference, because I believe that I had a really good interest in economics, but when I joined the Sri Venkateshwara College and studied it for roughly around 10 days, I realized that it's not economics at all.
अच्छा.
मतलब I believe it's economics, but it has majority portion of mathematics also. So that's why I decided that it's not for me. So I needed to switch it. So I took a drop here, and alongside I did a diploma in multi-application, so that my drop year won't be wasted. So it got me a little edge into my technical skills, and here I am here in Hansraj
Sorry. Wow.
in 2024.
Nice. So when you did decide to take this drop, मतलब आपको तो समझ आ गया था कि गलत कोर्स ले लिया, आपने
Okay.
अपने पेरेंट्स को ये कैसे एक्सप्लेन किया और ये रिएक्शन क्या आया था उनकी तरफ से?
So basically, it was the night of 26th August 2023
Wow.
when I told my parents that पापा ये मेरे से नहीं होने वाला ये कोर्स. So उनका reaction was like literally you spent 3 months preparing for an exam, then देने के बाद भी you are here 10 दिन जा चुके हो and still अब तुम कह रहे हो तुम्हें नहीं करना. एंड उसके बाद 1 साल का ड्रॉप. तो 1 साल में जो मेरे कलीग्स थे, लाइक उनका 1 साल वो आगे हो जाएंगे, तो एक फोमो उनको भी लगा एंड मेरे को भी था ऑब्वियस सा कि दिल लर्न मोर अबाउट द सराउंडिंग्स एंड उनका कॉलेज में भी एक्सेल हो जाएगा. तो दैट वाज अ टफ सिचुएशन फॉर मी, बट आई हैड माई लाइक मेरा पैशन B.Com ऑनर्स के लिए था, तो आई वाज रेडी फॉर इट कि नो मैटर व्हाट हैपेंस आई विल डू B.Com ऑनर्स फ्रॉम नॉर्थ कैंपस.
नॉर्थ कैंपस.
या
Nice.
सो दैट डेडिकेशन I convinced my parents for the same.
अच्छा, through this
And-
idea कि मेरे को नॉर्थ कैंपस से
Yeah,
करना है,
no,
and I love it.
Yeah. So actually मैंने उनको फैक्ट्स भी कन्वे करे कि लाइक अगर मैं परस्यू भी करता हूँ इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स, आई वॉन्ट बी एबल टू लाइक गेट अ गुड CGPA और अ गुड प्लेसमेंट, बिकॉज my relation with mathematics, you can say that isn't that strong. Like I suffer a lot with mathematics. That's reality. So I told my parents the same, and they were like, okay, we are with you. And I literally asked my parents like, I need your support in this,
अच्छा.
and gracefully they agreed for the same. So that's how
This
it ended.
was how you dealt with the parents वाला part, but then
Yeah.
in your answer itself I noticed that you did mention this also कि friends के साथ भी आपको लगा FOMO, तो वो तो आपको लगा था और मतलब आपके friends को भी आपने बोला लगा that they might be like you will be missing out and you won't be able to join them in all of these new experiences.
Okay.
तो ये बात मेरे को बताओ, how did you actually deal with that? Because friends से ही मैं जानता हूँ कि बहुत ज़्यादा peer pressure वगैरह
Yeah,
रहता
yeah.
है, you don't want to be left out in most things.
Okay. So
इसके how did you make that difficult step?
okay. So the thing is, there were 3 friends of mine who gave the CUT in 2023. So one decided to like drop the idea of studying into an university, and he went with the CA profession.
Okay.
So currently he's giving his exam for CA, and my
Dummy
other
college वाली बात हो गई है ना?
yeah. So my other friend gave CUT 2023. He wanted to pursue BA Pol Science Honors from Hindu College, but he didn't got that.
अच्छा.
So he also took a drop, and I also took a drop. So it was like we both of us were in the same boat. So we were there for each other.
So
and
you
supporting
found
the same.
support
Yeah.
in your friend group. या ये
yeah.
दोस्त आपके पहले से थे कि मतलब
No,
drop
they
लेने
were-
के बाद ही मतलब बने हैं?
No, they were my friends from my childhood. Like we studied from the second section, second standard together, and there was a lot more FOMO than I expected. Cause as I told you that in CUT 2023, I had a community of my friends who were in the same colleges. So yeah, that was a lot of pressure on me. Yeah, but still I managed through.
And any advice you would give to somebody for dealing with the parent side and the student side?
One advice that I would recommend is that first of all accept the FOMO, because you will be left out. But it depends on you that what you want to do in your drop year. whether you want to upskill yourself or you just want to study. वैसे I think that CUT isn't that hard that you have to study all day long, 12 hours and all. You can study for like 3 to 4 hours continuously and you'll crack it. On the other side, you can also work on your other skills also, like technical skills, so that it would help you in your internships and all when you get into a better colleges. And as you move into a better college, it will open a lot more opportunities for you, whether it can be societies or other internships also.
अच्छा नाइस. तो नाउ अब गुलशन हम ऐसे पार्ट पे आ गए हैं कि आई थिंक मोस्ट बच्चे इसी के लिए वीडियो देख रहे होंगे. तो मैं ये पूछूंगा आपसे, आपके पहले साल में भी आपको वेंकी मिला है, तो पहले तो मुझे वो बताना आपकी प्रिपरेशन की क्या प्रोसेस थी, और दूसरे साल में आपने क्या अच्छे से मतलब बदला था ताकि आपको जाके मिली थी हंसराज कॉलेज.
So talking about 2023, I didn't do like any specific things. I just gave 1 to 3 PYQs and that's all. And
Achha.
I had completed my board syllabus,
And
so that was
enough.
Yeah.
For Venki, like that is a
Yeah.
great college actually.
Okay.
Huh.
So that's what I did in 2023. And for the mathematics part, you need practice. Because economics require practice a lot in mathematics portion. Second thing, talking about 2023, first of all, the biggest challenge that occurred while preparing for it was that the change of the way it was conducted. Like first, earlier it was used to be in CBT, now it was in OMR sheets. So with OMR there were other problems like wrong marking, wrong marking, and sometimes you mark the wrong circles and you have
पहली
to
बार
correct.
कर रहे थे आप इसलिए.
Yeah, it was the first time for me. So before giving the exam, I had practiced OMRs 2 to 3 times. So it was good enough for me, and I was giving the CBT mocks already. So that's all. And PYQs, I've also practiced them.
अच्छा. From where did you practice this?
From the DuBuddy platform also.
अच्छा, you really
and,
did use this?
Yeah.
Okay, so sorry, just cut that part and tell us.
Okay.
From where did you practice PYQs?
So there were a lot of material available online alongside DuBuddy, and there were like if you search online, you get multiple websites from which you can access the CBT mode questionnaires, and the level was quite high in that. Like if you practice them, you can surely crack CUET.
Very
but
easily.
but the thing is that when you are into an examination hall, you have a lot of pressure on your mind, so your productivity eventually decreases. So better
Just
than
having that interface earlier is so that you don't get shocked with it. Yeah, idea. And then on the DuBuddy app itself, since you used it, 1 second. On the DuBuddy app, since you actually used it, how did you like the PYQs? जो आप एग्जाम में देखने मिला आपको पैटर्न वगैरह, तो आई थिंक आप ही बताओ मुझे कितना सिमिलर लगा, क्वेश्चंस भी कितने रिपीटेड थे, कॉन्सेप्ट्स वगैरह.
basically the thing was that the PYQs available on DuBuddy were also uploaded by us.
अच्छा.
So actually that's as I told you that I gave CUT 2023. So I also contributed in the PYQ collection of DuBuddy. So I checked the like PYQs and all, they were all same from the PYQ.
They had to be because he actually verified them himself.
Okay. So in 2023 the pattern was similar, like I would say 70 to 80%, but this time there was an I would say the application part was increased. Like specifically talking about economics paper, the level was increased. It's more about application rather than theory. And for the business studies, it was the level.
Concepts ही रहते हैं.
Yeah, it was basically concept, and it was easier this year.
Okay, so now continuing on your preparation part,
Okay.
जब आपने ड्रॉप लिया था तब आई थिंक एक टाइमलाइन ये भी बच्चों को बता दो कि आपने क्या यूज़ की थी. So did you revisit your NCERT portions for how long, and when did you start doing all of these mocks, PYQs, all of this other stuff?
Okay, so talking about
In a
the
timeline. Huh?
Okay, so talking about the timeline for business
But
studies.
Also, I'm
okay.
sorry to interrupt again. Since there are only 2 or 3 months left now, how would you do it if you were in their position now? Let's
Okay,
put it that
to be really honest with you, I did my focused preparation in last 2 to 3 months only. So I'll tell you what I did. Basically, go through all the lectures, and if possible, for business studies and Indian economy portion, read the NCERTs. For the accounts portion, I would say look through the NCERT, because some questions were directly copy pasted from the NCERT and the values were changed only. In some questions, the values weren't even changed also. So it was directly copy pasted. And
इंग्लिश के लिए ऐसा एक सब्जेक्ट है जो बच्चे पूछते रहते हैं मुझसे.
So English के लिए what I feel is that you have to focus on vocabulary, because this year the grammar portion was relatively shorter compared to the previous years, but the vocab portion was increased, and the unseen passages they are scoring, but you have to work on it and practice on it.
So previous क्वेश्चन से वो भी आप मतलब कर सकते हो, that sort you out.
Yes.
एंड अच्छा, तो ये थी इनकी टाइमलाइन, मतलब आपने एंड ऑफ मंथ्स में ये फोकस्ड एकदम प्रेप किया था. और ये आखिरी वीडियो एंड करने के पहले पूछूंगा कि दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय आपको अभी तक कैसा लगा एकदम, सिंस यू बीन टू लाइक साउथ, नॉर्थ एंड दिस ब्यूटीफुल यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस.
Okay, so talking about being into Delhi University, it's a great place to be. But the things you have to remember is that you have to be cautious. Like, as we can consider the things which raise our concern is that the alcohol addictions and the other things like weeds and all, which are the dark realities of Delhi University. You have to be
It does
cautious.
happen.
Yeah, you have to be cautious about that. And if you talk about the positive side, Delhi University opens a lot of opportunity for you. For if I have to talk about myself, coming into Hansraj, as I took part in society interviews and all, I got into currently I'm into 5 societies. And
Wow.
talking about internships and all, as you get into a better colleges, your value eventually increases due to the goodwill of the college. So currently I have completed my internship with Funds and Petals recently. So that
The
was
cake place.
yeah, the gifting website, which
Sorry.
okay. So and also I have given interviews for multiple internships, and recently I got selected into one also.
Achha.
So I would say that Delhi University is a great place. It opens
And even the drop was actually a great opportunity for you to actually
Yeah.
work on your hard skills.
yeah, sure.
तो मतलब from that year, what was the huge learning experience that you had? Because looking back at it, आपको मतलब hard work तो आपका दिख ही रहा होगा, लेकिन it won't be so soul crushing now, no? तो ये मेरे को बताओ.
What I feel is that first of all you have to trust in yourself. That's the most vital thing you can ask for. And first of all, clarify your things to your parents. Like if you want to take a drop, why you want to take it? Would it be worth it or not? If you like, how can I say? If you organize your facts in a good manner and present it in front of your parents, they'll understand that you need to take a drop in order to get into better colleges. So if someone is getting into colleges like PGDAV and evening colleges, those colleges are good, but still you can do better.
It's a difficult thing to actually go to those colleges
Yeah.
and manage evenings.
Yeah.
But there's options are still open. लेकिन
Yeah.
आप कुछ और अच्छा करना चाहते हो, आपके लिए planned है, आपका future कैसे करना है. Like he had it, you can see in his talk as well. तो आपको मतलब drop का consider करना चाहिए. जो अभी drop ले चुके हैं, वो भी आगे जाके I think
Sure.
if they use these strategies, they can get into Delhi University. So thanks a lot, Gulshan.
Thank you for this opportunity to be here.
Yeah, and if you guys enjoyed it, please subscribe. Yeah.